Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how I made this vase design out of paduk and canary wood. happened was with my chucks on the what happened with my dovetail jaws is I ended up having to make a really small tenon on here, and basically what I'm thinking it translates to is that size tenon or that is associated with those chucks is too small for a piece this size, because what happened is it just snapped right off, clean off, for 90% of the side. So what I'll probably end up doing to keep continuing with this project is I'll probably end up just using a faceplate. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a faceplate that fits the exact size for this piece, so I'll have to go get a new one, and I'll end up having screw holes in the bottom. But that's nothing a piece of felt can't fix. So, hey, stuff happens. At least I was wearing my safety gear. I was wearing the face shield, safety glasses, was standing off to the side of the lathe, so it didn't strike me. And all it takes is, you know, just half a second, and something can completely change. So I'm not too worried about it. Hey, move on. Keep going with it. So I guess we'll be seeing a part 2 for this video.